All right, so I have a polarizer made by K&F Concept that I'm going to be putting on my Leica Q3 camera. Right here is a 49 millimeter, which works for the 49 millimeter circumference of the lens for my Leica Q3. This is, let me go ahead and open this up. I got this polarizer so I can make the skies a lot more blue than they actually are, or actually you're able to see how blue the sky is with the polarizer. So inside here it is, the case right here. It says Nano-X series filter. It says 8K Ultra HD, multi-layer coating, waterproof, anti-scratch polarizer. And on the back, it says right here, it says 2 years free warranty period is covered, and you're registered right there. So here it is. In here is, what is this? Microfiber cleaning cloth. Microfiber cleaning cloths. So it gives me 3 microfiber cleaning cloths right here, which I can use on the polarizer, but I can also use it on, it says right here, a laptop, cell phone, camera, and glasses. So I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side, but I'm going to open this after I open up the nano filter or the polarizer. So I'm going to open it up from the top, make it drop. So inside comes right here. Here is a case. Now I wonder, well, I have a 49 millimeter case or 49 millimeter polarizer, but it comes in this huge case. I'm not exactly sure. Thought we're supposed to be saving the planet. That is supposed to be the goal, right? But they use this larger case. I'm not exactly sure why, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And inside, is that velvet? You know, funny. So inside here is the polarizer right here. It sits right there. I guess they made a case. You see there's this rubber right here. This is to keep the polarizer from moving around in the packaging, but I still don't know why they have such a big case. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the lens cap, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go actually move the hood. I'm gonna take the hood off of the Leica Q3, just like that. Put that to the side. Now you want to clean off the lens first before actually putting the polarizer on. I've done that already. It's a pretty clean lens. Do not touch the lens. You can see right here, the polarizer. Gonna go ahead and put this on. Line it up. Now I was told that you should always place it vertically like this when putting on the lens cap. That way it goes on smoother. All right, it caught the grip. Now I'm gonna spin it clockwise until the polarizer is secure in place. Don't do it too tight because you don't want that bad boy to get stuck on there. And once it's on, you can actually adjust the polarizer by the outside ring, taking it like that and spinning it. I'm going to turn my camera on so you can actually see. I'm not going to have see if I can see some detail with this. All right, so let me go ahead. Here is, that is the camera. Let me go ahead and put it in focus. Probably put it in macro mode because I'm so close. There we go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and move around the polarizer, see if you can see anything. Move the ring. Probably not so much. You can see a little bit with the orange when I move it around. The orange actually gets a deeper orange when I move it. If you could slightly see it, not too much, but look at that. But I'm just moving the ring right here on the outside, and you can adjust the polarizing by using this. And that is the K&F Concept Nano-X 49mm polarizer that I used on my Leica Q3. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.